Hello, I am Samantha Rasner, the Director of Engineering and Technology here at VDEMS, and I'd like to introduce you to our BE Electrohydraulic Actuator Control Box. Well, it started as an electrohydraulic actuator control box, but is now our baseline for our multifunction unit, which can control just about anything. We have on here, here's the overall box that we created specifically for BE, but is now becoming the baseline of all of our future technologies. And this provides us 16 unidirectional PWM output channels, which can be combined into 8 bidirectional motor control PWM output channels. We have 11 analog inputs for various sensor readings. We have 10 digital input outputs for additional digital control devices and reading of inputs. We also have 2 communication interfaces for RS-485. We have 2 interfaces for Ethernet, and one is a dedicated service port RJ45 connector. All of this is expressed right now on these very commercial style DB9, DB15, DB25 connectors. But these are actually interchangeable, and we're exploring multiple different waterproof options for the next generation for marine. You see on the inside, it actually is dual core processor, and we are in the middle of vetting this for aerospace DO160 standards. And if you want to see this in action, this is our demonstration screen that we've created for specifically for the NBAA, National Business Aeronautics Association demonstration that was shown in Las Vegas in October. And what we have here is a touchscreen display which remotely connects into these 2 super first class business jet seats. So personal jets, Lear jets. If you pan the camera out, you'll get a look at the seats. The seats provide both manual control buttons, which directly feed into our box. And on this one, the buttons are hidden underneath the chair, which provide mechanical control. And if what you see on the screen, we actually have diagnostic output from the chair itself, along with different mechanical controls. So we can put the seat into bed, which is happening behind you, but you see the readings of the voltage, position, and current draw on the actual actuators themselves. So you can do, these are the preset sets, which TTOL is fully upright for taxi, takeoff, and landing. Bed is fully extended. We have track and swivel assist, which is a DC motor which pulls and allows the seat to rotate. And we also have memory set and recall for any position that the user would want to set. And additionally, we have individual controls, backrest up, and you can see the readings on the screen, backrest down. And along here, you can see the additional, just a very small sampling of the data we have available. We have the temperature of each of the individual CPUs, an accelerometer, which allows us to take the history to see what kind of jostling the seat's taken. And if you see on some of the more, watch out when you get hit, on some of the more abrupt stops, you'll actually see an acceleration movement where the way the actuator is under the seat pan, it'll get moved enough by the seat moving, we'll be able to get a history. So that's more useful to see the kind of life cycle abuse of the seats. And we have the same functionality on the second seat. This is this brown one in front of us. So we can remotely come in and control. And because this is all done over Ethernet connection, we've also shown as certain examples that all you have to do is get on the same network as the seats, and you can perform this functionality from anywhere. We had demonstrations going where we had one of our developers in New York controlling the seats entirely remotely, nobody touching anything here, entirely on his own with the diagnostic tools up to show the executives at BE Aerospace what they didn't know possible was with their seats now. And this is just a small sampling of where we're going. This is one example of everything that we've done so far. And all of the design and testing and vetting out of this product for aerospace is rolling directly into all of our main product lines. So we have made a lot of progress. We have a lot more to go and a lot more ideas rolling in. So we look forward to sharing our future with you. Thank you.